Are you losing muscle while you sleep? Most people over 60 don't even realize it's happening. But if you wake up feeling weaker, your knees ache, or it's harder to get out of bed, this might be the silent reason. After age 60, your body loses up to 8% of muscle every decade, and much of that loss happens at night. That's because when you sleep, your body goes for hours without food and starts breaking down your own muscle for fuel. But here's the good news. Just one small snack, the right kind, before bed can flip the switch. Instead of losing muscle while you sleep, you can start rebuilding it. Science shows that seniors who eat the right nighttime foods recover muscle up to 35% better, sleep deeper, and feel stronger in the morning. So what exactly should you eat before bed? Let's dive in. 1. Cottage cheese, the muscle saver. Let's start with one of the most powerful nighttime snacks, cottage cheese. This creamy, mild cheese isn't just delicious. It's rich in a special kind of protein called casein. Now, why is casein important? Because unlike whey protein, which digests quickly, casein is slow digesting. It releases amino acids gradually, which means it feeds your muscles all night long. When you sleep, your body isn't getting food, so your muscles are often left hungry. But with just half a cup of cottage cheese before bed, you give your muscles the fuel they need to recover, rebuild, and stay strong. Many studies have shown that seniors who consume casein-rich snacks at night have less muscle loss, less soreness, and better sleep quality. Tip: choose low-sodium, low-fat versions if you're watching your heart health. 2. Warm milk with cinnamon. Comfort and recovery in 1 cup. There's something soothing about a warm glass of milk before bed, right? But it's not just comforting, it's science-backed. Warm milk contains both casein protein and tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin. These chemicals support deep sleep, the kind of sleep when most muscle recovery happens. Adding a pinch of cinnamon doesn't just boost the flavor. It also helps balance blood sugar levels overnight, which may reduce nighttime wake-ups. So the next time you have trouble sleeping or feel sore in the morning, try this old-fashioned remedy. Just 1 warm cup may help your muscles heal quietly while you rest. 3. Banana with peanut butter. The perfect pair. Bananas are known for their potassium, but they're also a source of natural carbs. These gentle carbs help restore muscle glycogen. That's the stored energy your muscles use. Now pair that with a tablespoon of peanut butter, and you've got healthy fats and protein too. This combo does 3 important things: feeds your muscles, keeps you full, and helps calm your nervous system so you fall asleep faster. Just 1 medium banana with a thin spread of peanut butter can do wonders, and it's easy to make even when you're tired. 4. Boiled egg and whole grain cracker. Small but mighty. Sometimes simple is best. A hard-boiled egg may not seem exciting, but it's packed with complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild muscle. Pair it with the whole grain cracker, and you've added fiber and slow-burning carbs. This helps your body stay nourished longer during the night. What's great about this snack is its size. It's small, easy to prepare, and gentle on digestion. Perfect for those who don't want to go to bed feeling too full. 5. Tuna on a rice cake. Light but powerful. You might not think of tuna as a bedtime food, but hear me out. Tuna is lean, high in protein, and rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery. Spread just a tablespoon of tuna on a plain rice cake, and you have a low-calorie, high-benefit snack. This is ideal if you're watching your weight, but still want to protect your muscle mass. Omega-3s may also support brain health, which is a great bonus while you sleep. Tip: choose tuna packed in water, not oil, to keep things light. 6. Greek yogurt with chia seeds, a gentle power combo. Greek yogurt is one of the best nighttime proteins out there. It's rich in casein like cottage cheese, but with a creamier texture and more probiotics, which means it's not only rebuilding your muscles, it's also helping your gut stay healthy. Now add chia seeds, and you've got a super satisfying snack. Just 1 tablespoon adds fiber, omega-3 fats, and extra plant-based protein. This combo works like a quiet helper while you sleep, calming inflammation, fueling your muscles, and even supporting joint health. And the best part? It takes less than a minute to make. Just stir, eat, and let your body recover overnight. 7. Baked sweet potato slices. Carbs that heal. Don't be afraid of carbs, especially not before bed. Your body needs them to repair muscle, especially after a day of walking, lifting, or even gardening. Sweet potatoes are a perfect pre-bed choice. They're rich in complex carbohydrates, potassium, and vitamin A. These nutrients help relax your muscles, calm your nerves, and stabilize blood sugar. Just a few slices of baked sweet potato, eaten warm or cold, can support overnight recovery without weighing you down. Tip: sprinkle with cinnamon or a drizzle of olive oil for added taste and anti-inflammatory benefits. 8. Almonds or walnuts. Small but soothing. Sometimes you want something crunchy, and a small handful of nuts can do just the trick. Both almonds and walnuts are rich in healthy fats, magnesium, and tryptophan, all of which support muscle relaxation and sleep. Almonds help regulate blood sugar through the night. Walnuts contain melatonin, which support your natural sleep-wake cycle. The key here is portion size. Just a small handful, about 6 to 8 nuts, is enough to give you the benefits without too many calories before bed. Think of this as your muscle insurance, a crunchy, heart-healthy bite that protects your strength while you rest. 9. Protein hot cocoa. Comfort and recovery in a mug. This one feels like a treat, but it's secretly helping your muscles. Mix unsweetened cocoa powder with warm milk and a scoop of collagen or whey protein, and you've got a bedtime drink that supports both muscle and joint recovery. Cocoa is rich in antioxidants, and if you choose a no-sugar version, it won't spike your blood sugar. Collagen, on the other hand, supports the connective tissue in your joints, especially important after age 60. Warm, chocolatey, and functional. This is not just dessert. It's a recovery tool in disguise. 10. String cheese and apple slices. Easy and balanced. Last but not least, a snack that's simple and portable. String cheese and apple slices. String cheese gives you casein protein and calcium, while the apple provides natural sugar, fiber, and hydration. It's the perfect sweet and savory combo to keep you satisfied without overwhelming your stomach before sleep. If you wake up stiff or sore in the morning, this balanced snack may help reduce that feeling. Because your muscles aren't just being maintained, they're actively being repaired while you sleep. If you've made it this far, here's the truth. Every night, your body has a choice: to build muscle or to lose it. And now you finally know how to help it choose the right path. These 10 bedtime snacks aren't just food, they're tools. Powerful tools that can help you wake up feeling stronger, move more easily throughout your day, and live with greater confidence after 60. If this video helped you, I'd really appreciate it if you click the like button. It's a simple action, but it helps YouTube share this message with other seniors who need it too. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel, Healthy Seniors Over 60. We share simple, science-backed tips to help you stay strong, sharp, and independent at any age. Before you go, leave a comment and tell me which of these snacks will you try tonight. I'd love to hear what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember, you're not losing muscle because you're getting older. You're losing muscle because no one ever showed you how to keep it. Until now. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.